Well, decisions, decisions, decisions. Hopefully, you have the right decision to listen to National Real Estate Cafe daily, where you get your real estate and market updates.
So, what kind of decisions are we going to make today, Don? You tell me, because sometimes real estate can be daunting, right? It's the
Hmm.
largest investment you make your whole life, most likely.
And I'm sure there's no risk to the lender.
There's lots of risks involved for everybody. So they're calculated risks, though, right? That's why lenders have debt to income ratios, credit requirements, and certain guidelines to follow to make sure that lenders are protected and that you're protected as well because you've got some sort of keep you in checks and balances.
There you go. So, who makes these decisions? Let's go to the first slide and we'll start. Is it this guy?
No way. That guy's way too young to be making any guidelines
That
up.
is true. I think that's a lone guy.
Yeah, that guy's trying to get you square peg, round hole. I see that guy working hard to make it happen.
Yeah. Here, but bottom line, what these are the people that make the decision. An underwriter. So what's an underwriter? You probably hear that the underwriter is looking at your loan. The underwriter is determining whether you get a loan. But what are they really looking at?
I love this because what it does is it identifies, they verify that the information you gave us is accurate on the application.
Mm-hmm.
They verify that the value is accurate based on the appraisals work. They verify there's no liens on title. They verify that you have sufficient insurance, that they're not in a flood zone, and that the property that you're buying is what it's supposed to be as far as it says surveying. We don't call it that here in California. We call it a title report usually.
All right. So a key factor here is this is what the underwriter is looking at. The key is also working with a mortgage professional that knows what the underwriter is looking for. It's really about how that package, your loan package, is put together to be in front of the underwriter. And if it's done correctly, the underwriter goes, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is good. Here's the keys to your home. If they do it poorly, you may not get that home that you fell in love with. So make sure you're working with a true mortgage professional.
Right. So let's take a step backwards and recognize that there's lots of different programs. And it's our job as loan officers to determine what program you fit into best and which one's going to help you achieve all your real estate goals and make it through underwriting smoothly.
And remember, the lowest rate is not always the best program. We save our clients interest on their loans and lower their payments all the times by structuring it differently. It could be structuring your debt differently. It could be structuring a loan differently. It could be structuring your down payment differently.
Even structuring mortgage insurance differently.
Yes.
There's so many different options to structure. Now, be cognizant that one of the most important things is what's your time horizon? How long will you be in that home? That determines a lot of things for us.
All right, you heard it right here in the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gunley and Gino Fronti. You can find so much more on our website at nrecafe.com. Over 600 YouTube videos giving you the ins and outs about what's really happened in the real estate and financial world.
Okay, and also for 6 years of history, check out don&gino.com where we've had over 1,500 YouTube videos with our radio show as well.
All right, you heard it right here. Get these sent right to your phone by texting NREC to the number 58885. Oh, we did it like 58885.
Say that 5 times fast.